hit the subscribe button and check out how much this wig costs. Can you guess? Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Rosie aka La Rosa. Check out the cheapest wigs you can ever find at the store on a Christmas sale, because I did $2.99. And now I'm not the type, I wear synthetic once in a while, but this one is like, it feels so good. This is the chosen one, so feel free to Google it online. You're probably not going to find it for $2.99, but might be cheaper than you think of. That's it right there. And then I got these other ones, which I'll be making a separate videos when I'm ready to install them. $2.99. So just like this one, the actual price is $40, $39.99. And this is the pink one. I really like it. And then that one, I don't know the actual price. They had a whole color, different colors. I'm like, I'm not the type that wears something like this, but let's see. The other cheapest wig I've ever worn was from Amazon when I was having my baby. I think it was $40, $50, something like that. But this one, $3 wig. Let's see, even if I'm not feeling it, but let's see. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and stay tuned. As you can see, I already braided my hair into 4. I only plan on putting this on for like a week, maximum 2. I won't be doing the regular installation steps. Probably just put some glue around the skin and then put it on and that. We cut it up and wash it right quick. When it gets dry, I'll get started. As usual, I'll use the alcohol and wipe out or wipe off extra, what do you call it? I don't know why my skin is so oily today. Yup, it's definitely dirty. I'm only gonna apply 2 layers, just 2 layers. Glue. That's it. No baby hair this time. That's what it turned out to be. $3 hair. No one's gonna know. Who's gonna know? Who's gonna tell them? I like it. Camel grain, army grain. I never had anyone like this before. And this is it from the back. I wish it was human hair. I wish it was human hair. And how many inches long is this? Magenta, camel grain, emerald, rose teal. This is LLDP, spin to 26 inches. What do you think? Love it. All right, see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Aha.